Hello everyone. I'm taping more of a vlog style video. I'm very quiet because my family's sleeping. But earlier this week I had a procedure done on a tooth. So it turns out that I had a root canal and in Oregon, and the doctor did it wrong, so they had to redo it again. And I have a gigantic infection going from my tooth into my sinus cavity. So I've had that all week. That's why I haven't done, well, I've been dealing with it since I found it since December. That's why I haven't done any art videos or videos that I am actively speaking other than the butternut squash soup. Because of that infection. They still don't know. They think that with what they did, it's a 50-50 chance that I might need a full surgery or it'll go away. So I am doing a Venezuelan kind of trick that we use a lot for infections and just immune support. Like, I know people that do it every single morning for immune support, but garlic is known to be an antiviral and an like a natural antibiotic. So what you do is you peel the garlic, and with an empty stomach you drink a whole garlic clove. Normally I don't think I have it here, but I save all the little ones that are inside the garlic after I cook it. But this time, I think I need a bigger one. I mean, you can see it in my face. I am not feeling good. I still have it checked out on Monday because I feel like I got run over by a train. And you can kind of see that in my face. So today I'm going to go with a bigger one. I think I will cut it just so it's easier to swallow. That's the hard part, is swallowing the whole garlic clove. So since I'm going with a bigger one, I'm going to cut it and then I'm going to drink it on an empty stomach, and then I won't be eating for about half an hour. But that is a trick that they use where I come from when you have infections. So, or for immune support. So let's see. Join me as I do my natural how do you call that? Natural remedy. See, as you go in, they're smaller cloves than the big gigantic. I'm so desperate, I might actually drink the big gigantic one. But as you go in, you can start saving the little ones. Let's go with a medium-sized one. I think this one's too big. And I keep my garlic in a mason jar. My trick for garlic, and then the peel comes off right away. So I'm gonna do like that.